Best friends deserve the best gifts. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just to show appreciation, the right present can make your friendship even stronger. In this video, I'll share some awesome gift ideas for your best friend, thoughtful, fun, and perfect for celebrating your bond. ***** 1. Personalized jewelry. Necklaces or bracelets with initials or friendship charms are meaningful keepsakes. ***2. Customized mug. Add a funny inside joke, a favorite quote, or even a shared memory. ***3. Memory scrapbook. Fill it with pictures, movie tickets, and little notes from your adventures together. **4. Matching outfits. Hoodies, t-shirts, or even socks that match, fun and stylish. **5. Experience gifts. Spa day, or a fun activity you both enjoy. **6. Friendship bracelet. A timeless symbol of connection that never goes out of style. **7. Tech gadgets. Wireless earbuds, phone accessories, or even a cool gadget they'll love. **8. Hobby kits. Art supplies, cooking sets, or DIY craft kits based on their passion. *9. Personalized phone case. Add their name, initials, or even a favorite photo of you both. *10. Subscription box. Snacks, skincare, or book boxes delivered monthly. A gift that keeps giving. *12. Self-care kit. Candles, bath bombs, skincare products, and cozy socks for relaxation. *13. Photo frame or collage. Highlight your favorite friendship memories in a unique way. *14. Board games or card games. Something you can enjoy together during hangouts. *15. A handwritten letter. Sometimes the most heartfelt gift is a simple, personal message. And that's it, 14 thoughtful and fun gift ideas for your best friend. Whether you go with something personalized, an experience, or even a simple heartfelt letter, the most important thing is showing your friend how much they mean to you. Which of these gift ideas do you think your best friend would love most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative gift guides every week.